Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to copy an account link on Instagram using your PC. With the latest updates, this process has become super simple, allowing you to share accounts with just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Instagram.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. This step is crucial for accessing all the features Instagram has to offer. Once you're on the home page, it's time to find the account you want to share. You can either scroll through your feed or use the search bar at the top of the page. If you know the username of the account you're looking for, type it in, and you'll see a list of results. Click on the correct profile to view their content. Now that you're on the account's profile, take a moment to enjoy their posts and see what they're all about. When you're ready to copy the link, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of the profile. Clicking these dots will bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, select Share To. This will open up additional sharing options, allowing you to choose how you want to share this account. But for our purposes today, we'll focus on copying the link. After you click Share To, you'll see the option to Copy Link. Click on this, and just like that, the link to the account is copied to your clipboard. It's a quick and easy way to grab the link without any hassle. Now that you have the link copied, you can easily share it wherever you like. Whether it's in a chat with a friend, a post on another social media platform, or even an email, simply right-click and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to insert the link. And there you have it. You've successfully copied an account link on Instagram using your PC. This is a fantastic way to share accounts that inspire you or content you enjoy with your friends and followers. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks.